Places we find Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo are primarily found in southeastern Nigeria, particularly states like Abia, Anambra, Ebonyi, Enugu, and Imo. Their territory also extends westward across the Niger River to areas in present-day Delta State. Minority Igbo communities can also be found in other Nigerian states, such as Benue State. Beyond Nigeria, Ndi Igbo have communities in Cameroon, Gabon, and Equatorial Guinea, where their cultural identity is maintained. Ndi Igbo are found in the United States of America, Europe, and other countries. This documentary is brought to you by KPAKPANDO Language Hub.